Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed review of Tangerine Money-Back World Mastercard. We'll cover what this card is, who it's designed for, the main features, the pricing, the pros and cons, and ultimately answer the question, is this one of the best cashback credit cards available today? So let's get started. The Tangerine Money-Back World Mastercard is one of the most popular cashback credit cards in Canada, and for good reason. It offers a unique combination of flexibility, simplicity, and value that many competing cards struggle to match. Unlike many cashback cards that force users into fixed reward categories, Tangerine allows cardholders to customize their reward structure based on their spending habits. This means that you can choose the categories where you earn the highest rewards, making the card much more personalized than traditional cashback cards. The card is issued by the Tangerine Bank and operates on the Mastercard network. Because it's a World Mastercard, it also includes several premium benefits that go beyond basic cashback rewards. These include insurance protections, travel-related benefits, mobile device coverage, and exclusive Mastercard perks. One of the biggest selling points is that there is no annual fee. Many premium reward cards charge anywhere from $99 to $150 or more every year. Tangerine manages to provide premium level features while keeping the annual fee at zero. Now let us talk about the main features of the card. First is the customizable 2% cashback categories. The biggest attraction is the ability to choose your own bonus categories. Cash holders can select two spending categories where they earn 2% cashback unlimited. These categories include grocery, restaurants, gas, entertainment, furniture, hotel and motel purchases, and drugstores. You can change these categories to match your spending habits every 90 days. Next is to unlock a third 2% category. If you deposit your rewards into a Tangerine savings account, you unlock a third 2% cashback category. This effectively allows you to earn bonus rewards in 3 different spending areas at the same time. For many cardholders, this is where the value really starts to shine because it provides additional flexibility without any extra cost. Another feature is that you get 0.5% cashback on everything else. All your purchases outside your selected categories earn a 0.5% cashback. Well, that might not be the highest base earn rate available, but it ensures that every purchase still earns rewards. And as earlier mentioned, no annual fee. And that's perhaps the most attractive feature for many users. You can enjoy all the rewards and premium World Mastercard benefits without paying a yearly membership cost. The card also comes with mobile device insurance. That helps protect eligible smartphones and mobile devices that are purchased using the card. It's also of interest to note that with this card, you can get up to 8 cents per litre in value at participating Shell stations Canada-wide. This helps you save extra money on fuel. Another one is the extended warranty. The card can extend manufacturer warranties by up to 1 additional year on eligible purchases. And this feature is particularly valuable for electronics, appliances, and other expensive items. Also attached is the rental car insurance, where you can get damage and theft protection for car rentals. Now, what is the pricing like? As earlier mentioned, the card has a $0 annual fee. That remains one of the strongest selling points of the card. It's also worth noting that the purchase interest rate is 20.95% and the cash advance interest rate is 22.95%. That applies to cash advances and balance transfers. Now, what are the pros and cons of using this card? First, the pros. There's no annual fee. You can get up to 3 customizable 2% cashback categories, unlimited cashback earnings, and the ability to change these categories to match your spending every 90 days, premium World Mastercard benefits, and purchase protection. How about the cons? Outside the selected categories, you only get 0.5% cashback. And to unlock a third category, it requires you to have a Tangerine savings account. So many Canadians consider the Tangerine Money-Back World Mastercard one of the best cashback credit cards available. And the big reason is flexibility. Next is the value it offers, and the third reason is simplicity. That's why it continues to rank among the best cashback credit cards in Canada, and it remains a top choice for consumers who want excellent rewards without unnecessary complexity. And that's it on the review of the Tangerine Money-Back World Mastercard. If you're looking to try other alternatives you may explore, Simply Financial Cashback Visa Card, BMO Cashback Mastercard, and Rogers Redworld Elite Mastercard. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.